Here's how to set up a workflow in Monday.com. First, we have this new workspace, and you can name it whatever you want. Add a board from a template. There will be a variety of templates, but we want to be specific and choose project management category. We'll be using this Agile project management. It's simpler and easy. All written under item column are your projects. You can choose a different view of this board. Just click this plus button and choose a card. All projects will be displayed like this, but if you want to work this little by little, then go to sort by, then select which column. For example, we choose group and need to be specific of what group you want to work first. To confirm these changes, confirm by hitting Save from this view. You'll be able to see all projects in Q1 initiatives. We can rename the project. Also assign specific team members or invite team via email to work with this. Then set priority range for each project. We can edit each label depending on how you wanted it. The same goes with status of project. Example, working on it, stock, or done. Once you check the main table, all changes you've made will reflect in here. Another workflow format we can use is Kanban. This is sorted depending on the user. For example, initiative status, like we did earlier. We can filter projects by groups, name, owner, priority, and etc. So to add a new project, tap the Add Item and rename it. Good thing about Kanban is you can update by just dragging the project to specific status, like for example videos. To edit project is not stuck, you drag it here and its status is updated. All these boxes are movable too. And that is how you set up a workflow in Monday.com.